Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and spins for CoinMaster. It's super easy, it's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this amazing site, Zaptweek, and just scroll down and you'll find the CoinMaster online tool. Click there, just click install now and let's wait a little bit. This is super easy. I test this many times and I get unlimited spins and coins. So let's get a little bit and wait. Okay, now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete those simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still have this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully, and we're still redirecting. Verification complete. Thank you for, your content has been verified successfully. Check your home screen. So let's see. And guys, as you can see, we have this icon CoinMaster. Just open and check your coins and spins. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.